All right, now what I'm going to do is take apart my Honeywell 5250, take you inside it, you can take a look at it, and I'll go over some of the pros and cons of it.
As well. So first thing, let me turn on the Honeywell, just to get an idea of the volume. Because I think one of the complaints about this machine is that it's a little noisy. It gets a little noisy. And then you can see there is a HEPA filter light, a pre-filter light here as well too. And it's got 3 speeds. So it is a little loud. So if you're hoping to sleep with it on, it's probably not the model for you. Okay? And then the filter on it, let me unplug it here. And to show you, it's primarily a HEPA filter. That's really all the Honeywell is. If I pull the bottom of it off, in fact, it doesn't look a lot like a washing machine inside. So there's the motor, and it pulls air through the HEPA and blows it out the top. And so it's a pre-filter, and then you get your HEPA inside. So it's not a bad size filter. So if you're just trying to get rid of dust, the Honeywell would do that for you. Okay, so there's the Honeywell. Now let's take a look at the Alive Air machine. Now the Alive Air machine, when you shut it on, it automatically detects odor, dust, and allergens. So it's going to adjust itself to what's going on in the room. And on the high mode, you can notice it's a lot quieter than the Honeywell is. So if you want to sleep in the room, and it's got a quiet mode, and it is very, very quiet and smooth. Because this has a bearing motor, fan motor. This has a brushless fan motor, just like a computer, very quiet. Okay, so let me shut it off. I'll take the cover off. You notice it has a pre-filter here, and that's going to gather hair and dust as this one has. And that's washable, so you can wash this, get a lot more life out of it than just a regular HEPA. And then you get electrostatic grid. This is going to gather your soot, your pollution, some of your chemicals in the air, odor, cigars, cigarette smoke, etc. And what's nice about it, it's also going to save the life of the HEPA filter behind it. Now the HEPA filter in the Honeywell, it's about $100, $120 to replace it, so it's almost the cost of the machine when you go to replace the HEPA filter. Now here, this is the Alive Air HEPA filter, good size HEPA filter, and it's got carbon in the back. I dropped the bottom of that. Carbon in the back, which is going to absorb odor and gases, which the Honeywell won't do. And then behind it, you've got TiO2, which is titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is going to kill mildew, mold, germs, viruses, etc. So that's something the HEPA filters alone won't do. They're not going to kill germs or bacteria or sanitize the air. And then behind it, you have a UV bulb used in hospitals to kill germs and viruses, etc. And then behind it, you also have negative ions, and those go out into the room and kill odor and kill germs and mold out inside the room, outside of the machine. And it also makes the air a lot healthier. So this is a 9-stage Alive Air machine, and this is a 2-stage pre-filter and HEPA Honeywell machine.
So a couple other things, the Alive Air will do 864 square feet, whereas the Honeywell will do 374. So the size of the room is going to be important. Of course, the Alive Air is 9 technology, the Honeywell is 2 technology. And then the replacement HEPAs, the Alive Air HEPA is $35. The pre-filter is washable. The Honeywell HEPA, you got to buy the pre-filter each year too. It's $95 for both. So after a couple years, you can see you'll actually be spending more money on the Honeywell, even though it doesn't do as much or cover as much square footage.
The Honeywell Air Purifier has replacement filters as low as $33, a 5-year warranty, money-back guarantee. It covers over 850 square feet with auto sensors to monitor the air quality. So no matter what problem you have, the Alive Air does a better job 9 ways. Get an Alive Air Purifier today at aliveair.com. It's on sale for $297 with free shipping included. Alive Air, better air for better living.
All right, now what I'm going to do is take apart my Honeywell 5250, take you inside it, you can take a look at it, and I'll go over some of the pros and cons of it.
As well. So first thing, let me turn on the Honeywell, just to get an idea of the volume. Because I think one of the complaints about this machine is that it's a little noisy. It gets a little noisy. And then you can see there is